Good day everyone, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to scan your passport chip with an iPhone, a handy trick for verifying your ID or checking travel apps. Guys, first make sure your passport has a chip. Look for a little rectangle with a circle symbol on the cover. That's a biometric passport with RFID chip. Your iPhone needs NFC too. Anything from the iPhone 7 up works. Running iOS 13 or later, no extra hardware, just your phone. Step 2. Grab an app. Since iPhones don't scan passport chips natively, head to the App Store and download Biometric Passport Reader or Read ID Me. Both are solid picks. Open the app and it will guide you to scan the machine-readable zone, those two lines of text on your passport's data page to unlock the chip. Now, scan time. Open your passport to the photo page, hold your iPhone's back near the top where the NFC reader sits, against the back cover, dead center. Stay still for a few seconds. The app will buzz or show dots when it connects, pulling your info like name and photo. Step 4. Check the results. The app should display your passport details. If it's blank, move the phone slowly across the cover to find the chip. For US passports post 2021, it's trickier. Scan inside the back cover. Once it's there, you're good. And that's it. You've scanned your passport chip with your iPhone, perfect for travel apps or just testing your chip. Guys, works for you? Drop a comment, like and subscribe for more tech how-tos. See you next time.